Hi everyone, I will show you now the latest feature of the DiRoots App Manager, which is auto clean Revit Journal Files. So all you need to do is go to settings, and in settings you will find an option to switch on the auto delete Revit Journal Files. So let's switch it on. And now what you want to do is to set how old the files need to be to get deleted. So I will just type 10 days in my case. And the next thing you want to do is to set the recurrence. So if it will run daily, weekly, and so on. In this case, I will just select weekly. And then all you need to do is to close the application and your settings are automatically saved. So every 1 week, it will delete all the Revit Journal files that are older than 10 days.